guys, welcome back to Secret World 111, and today I'm showing you something that is insane and incredible. It's an app called Toolbox for Minecraft Pocket Edition. I think it's only for Android, but I don't know. So you tap it. I don't know how to start using it, but for some reason I don't know what I did, but it works. So check this out. If you're in Minecraft Pocket Edition, there's no sign in button. I think you can go for realm. No. Anyway, there's a new button. It says launcher options. It says general Mcpe's and about. Forget about that. It's just I'm gonna show you what happens when you go into one of your worlds. Go into one of your worlds. You have to have Minecraft Pocket Edition first with worlds. And look. There's a new button that says M. That's pretty much the inventory. Same as the inventory button, like you all know. And there's a mini map. And it shows you where mobs are. Oh shoot, come on. I mean, if you're wondering why I see an ocelot, it's because, well, you might see right here. Eat that. Anyway, I know what I'm learning about is this. First of all, let's check out the new 3 tabs. This chest is, well, the inventory, pretty much. And this is enchant, so I'm gonna enchant water. It's gonna be so weird. Are you ready? I'm enchanting water. So I'm gonna enchant it whatever I want. I'm gonna enchant it back, as many as I want, as high as I want. This is gonna be the weirdest thing ever. So knockback 47, looting 12. Save, and I have enchanted water. Even though it doesn't really use those enchants, it doesn't really do that. And here's the armor. Doesn't know. And look, the player looks at whatever I swipe onto. So if I tap here, he's looking there. He's looking around. So weird. Anyway, let's check out this tab, which is the options tab, and you can change your mode. So I'm currently, oh my god. Well, that was weird. Yeah, because I had to go sleep. So, anyway, as I was saying, I'm currently in creative mode. If I tap this, and I go back, I'm now in survival. How cool is this? And guess what? You can get items, no matter what. Like, in survival, you don't even need to mine stuff. You could be a pro. Let me show you how. So it looks like this. Tap this. Then you're back in the creative inventory. Even though you're still in survival. So let me go up here. Let me get 255 diamonds. Add. Oh. No. Are you? It worked. I didn't think that was gonna work. I didn't know you can get more than 64. Oh. Oh my god, look at that. Anyway, I don't want that anyway, so you can actually go to your inventory, tap remove, and remove those diamonds. See, well, you can get them right back anyway. You can get anything, like as many things as you want. So I want 255 bottle of enchantings. Look. This is insane. No way. Anyway, I'm gonna get rid of those. Ooh. And where's that right there? So now, yeah. Oh, and there's one more tab I forgot to tell you. This is this. Well, I don't know what it is, but... Oh, it's so cool. It's waypoints. So this is house. I didn't even figure this out yet. I didn't even know this. So, house. Now it says house. So if I'm over here and I go to here, I can, oh, come on. I can tap house and I just teleported there. No friggin' way. No friggin', oh my god, are you kidding? No friggin' way. What? What is... Can you fly? No, you can't. Are you kidding? Anyway. So, I'm gonna make this outside my house. So, outside my house. Outside my, outside my house. Look. What? Outside. I meant, outside. Oh, oh my. Oh, there we go. Tap done. And now, we have a new waypoint. So, it's just as high as you want. Well, I don't know what it just said. And I'm going to go back to house. So, say I want to go outside. Well, guess what? I just did! And woohoo! Hey, I'm gonna go back to creative. And I wanna go back inside my house. Guess what? Oh, shoot, no, wrong tab. Guess what? Bam! I am back in my house. Well, anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye! Oh my god, I forgot. Anyway, bye!